I believe it may happen. It may not happen until 2024, but we are gonna be reversing from here. A high probability. I'm looking at 28K again. We're gonna try to go back up to 28K. Okay, if we break above the 26,500 level. Now,
hey everyone, this is Crypto Cruise once again with another crypto market update. And the video again that just played in the beginning of this video, I recorded that I posted it on YouTube about a week ago, right? And we made that call, the 28K, right? So this morning, in fact, there was good news that happened with the SEC. Grayscale actually just won the lawsuit against the SEC about the SEC denying or refusing the spot ETF. Why they continue to refuse it? So they lost. That does not mean that they approved it. It just means that they had no reason to not approve the spot, because they did approve the futures. Okay, so the reason that the SEC was giving was denied. Pretty much the judge courted it. It was not a good reason at all, but I still stand by the saying, show me the chart and I'll tell you the news. Okay, and I said, on the previous video, there's a good chance we're gonna head to 28K, and sure enough, that's what we did. And then the good news happened, and that's people are saying that's the reason why we spiked up. I believe the chart told me we're gonna spike up to 28K. That's what it told me. Believe what y'all want to believe. I'm gonna stand by my show me the charts and I'll tell you the news. But that is what happened. As you can see, we just spiked up today straight to 28K. Actually went a little bit above it and went to 28,100. You will never really get the exact price, but we really got close, right? So if we even zoom in a little bit more, right here, as you can see, went straight at around the 28K level right there. I'm gonna just take out my bubble for a minute right here so we can concentrate on the charts, right? So here we go. As you can see, 28,100 around there, and then that's when we got rejected. We went straight there, just like I said, but then we got rejected. Now, to talk about where we're headed next, there is actually a really good chance that we can retest the 26,500 level. What I have drawn up here, it's a good chance we can go back down and retest that as a support. Okay, if we retest that as a support and it bounces, then we're in the clear. Okay, we'll be moving back up again to 28K and maybe even breaking 28K. But right now, that's what we're looking at. There's a really high probability we're gonna retest the 26,500. If we don't quite get to 26,500, for sure 27K. That's what we're gonna retest. Okay. We're gonna go back to the 4-hour chart again, and as you can see, it's actually started to retrace. Okay, we may retrace a little bit, go back up, probably play around a little bit of sideways. I don't think we're gonna go straight down to 26,500, but that is what I'm looking at right now. Okay, again, there is no guarantee, only probabilities. And if we look at the 1-week chart, as you can see how small and insignificant those larger those zoomed in time frame is. This is the 1-week chart, guys. So the what we're looking at with the spike, the green spike up to 28K, is this small. Let me just zoom in, right? It's this small green candle right there, right? It doesn't look too big, but again, this is 1 week. This candle, this green candle, is gonna close and print and start a new candle by Sunday at around 7 p.m. Central Time. Okay, 6 p.m., 7 p.m. Central Time. I forget it, but it's Sunday. Okay, so how many days do we have left until then? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. About 5 days, right? We still have 5 days for this green candle to keep moving up and down, up and down. So I don't think we're gonna hit 30K just yet. I mean, there's still a chance. Who knows? If another good news happens, maybe, you know, but I don't think that's gonna happen this week, right? Um, but who knows? Again, Bitcoin has surprised us, but there's a higher probability that we retest 26.5 this week, and next week that's when we'll most likely bounce. If that support level holds, we'll most likely bounce, because this squeeze right here is looking very strong. Again, our next target, remember, once we build up that momentum to go back up, is $38,000 right here. Right, according to the previous video that I post. Go watch that previous video if you haven't yet. It's a good video. You'll most likely learn a few new things about the chart as well, on how I read it and everything. But yeah, so if we zoom back in to the shorter time frame, because I know everyone's wondering, you know, what's gonna happen in the next few days. Again, just look at that, and then it's a good trading. It's a good trading opportunity, right? So but as far as trading goes, if you want to learn how to trade, just want to let you know, if you want to learn how to trade, show it again. If you want to learn how to trade, I do have a program. It's free. I give free training. Look at the description down below. You can sign up for my free training. It's a free boot camp. It'll teach you how I set up these charts, actually, how to set up these Bollinger Bands, how to read the dip, the squeeze, and how to trade them, right? Again, that's completely free. And if you want to take it at another level, there is a payment subscription for that, but a one-time payment will actually give you access to all the trainings that we have. Okay. And then we do have automated signal trade finder as well, where it helps you find trades, potential trades. It's a very good tool, but that has a monthly subscription. But check out the description down below for my free training. Okay, now let's talk about the longer term time frame again. Okay, so I haven't changed my stance on the longer term time frame. We're gonna look at the 1 week again. Okay, like I said in the previous video, we most likely won't even see 40K until like maybe in December, right? But again, Bitcoin has surprised us. But this is the weekly chart, so each of these candles is 1 week. We could be moving sideways a little bit more, maybe go all the way up to 30K, maybe even 35K. But as far as going all the way up to 40K, you know, that's actually in my prediction right here. It could be a few months from now, again, maybe in December. If we go to the monthly chart, I don't know if we even looked at the monthly chart before. Okay, so this is going very long. This is for the next bull run. Okay, for the next bull run, again, our top is 60K. Let's look at the BLX chart again, because everyone probably wants to know, on our next bull run, where are we gonna top out at, right? Where is the next top? Well, we'll take a look at the next top here. Okay, I'm gonna take out my picture again, or my bubble again. Let me just get my chart ready. All right, so I got my logarithmic chart ready right here. Okay, as you can see, this looks crazy. This dates back, this is the 1 month chart. Each of these candles represent a month. Okay, it's dating back all the way to 2010. Okay, this is 2010. Bitcoin was a baby. It was like Bitcoin was priced at around what, 10 cents, below 10 cents back then, right here. Okay, that's insane. Again, why I believe so much in Bitcoin, in the past 10 years, it has outperformed any asset class in just 10 years. Okay, also in just 10 years, Bitcoin has reached over $1 trillion in market cap. Think about it, guys. In just 10 years, over $1 trillion in market cap, that actually outperformed Apple, Amazon. You know, it didn't take them, I mean, it took them a way longer to reach where they are now, okay? Let alone $3,000, $1 trillion in market cap. Man, I'm slurring my words. But anyways, let's get back to this chart right here. On the next bull market, where could we possibly be headed, okay? So the pattern right here, I talked about the pattern that I saw with the Bollinger Band on the previous bull market. I'm just gonna make this short. Usually especially when look at the MACD right here, when it dips down, the blue line dips down like that, it only happened once before in the past. And when that happened, that was actually our 2015 all the way to 2017 bull market. It's actually one of the bigger bull market where we went from around $200 all the way to 20K. Okay, the last time this blue line right here dipped all the way down, that only happened once in history. Guess what's it doing now? It is happening again, right? It's happening again. We're all the way down here. We're waiting for it to reverse. And once that reverse, look at 500K. I know this is like over the top for me. My target in the next bull market, worst case scenario, is about 150 to 200K. That's worst case scenario. Okay, that's being conservative. But best case scenario, look how far 500K is. It's not that far from here. Okay, that is a normal spike, as you can see in the previous bull market right here. Boom, 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 and then we're right here. It's not that far, guys. And over here on the RSI, the overbought, oversold, right? Every time we're in this level right here, we make a new bull run. When we're at this level right here, we make another bull run to the top. Now we're here again, okay? We're here again. We made this dip again right here, made a dip right here. We bottomed out, we started recovering, boom, bull run. Over here, we bottomed out, we started recovering. There's anomaly COVID crash right here, but we made another bull run all the way to the overbought territory. Now we're making another bottom again. We reversed, as you can see. That actually looks like an inverse head and shoulder right there on the RSI, okay? Very bullish indicator. The Bitcoin halving is right here, that blue line that we have, okay? We're approaching it, and guess what, guys? Once we approach that, probably going up, boom, we're gonna hit the we're gonna hit like the overbought, yeah, the overbought territory around here. And look where it lands right here. It lands at around December, let's see, it lands at around the middle of 2025. Okay, that is actually maybe where our peak of bull market is the late 2025. Okay, so just hold on for a little bit more, and then we'll, you know, just enjoy the ride. I think the worst is behind us, and we're about to recover and just enjoy the ride. Okay, that's it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, you like this content, you're enjoying this, just subscribe to my channel, help out the channel, support it, and we'll continue to grow. Okay, next video that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna talk more about news and what's going on in the market and everything. Okay, I'm gonna try to, you know, start uploading a whole lot more. All right, until next time though, again, bye bye.